Hello everyone, welcome back again to Cyber War Lab, where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and much more. Now, in this video, we are going to use Shodan search filters to find out vulnerable services ports. In the last video also, I showed you that how you can use Shodan search filters to find out the vulnerable Android devices, 8-bit services. But in this video, we are going to use some more advanced search filters to find out other services like FTP, anonymous login, SMB, etc. Now, before moving ahead, guys, let me clear you one thing that this video is only and only for the educational purposes. Do not use this method to perform any illegal activity. So, without wasting time, let's start this video. So I'll just open my Firefox browser, and here, as I told you in the last video also, that you don't need any membership account. You can use the same method in the free account also. Now only the difference between free and the membership one, that in the membership account you can download all the results, all the queries, whatever you will search, but in the free one you don't get that option. But it doesn't matter, we just have to find out the results, right? So as I told you that in this video we are going to use some more advanced search filters of the Shodan to look out some anonymous FTP services, SMB services, and we will also filter out the results country wise also, right? So the first one, we are going to look for the anonymous. So here we are going to find the FTP services where login as anonymous succeed. Why 230? Because in the FTP 230 login is equal to successful, which means if the 230 is showing, which means we have successfully logged in. So right now we are just going to filter out those results where we have the anonymous login, right? So I'm just going to put this port 21, and now it will filter out all the results. Here you can see we can download all the results, but it doesn't matter. Now here you can see this is from the Greece, then United States, China, etc, etc. So let's just look out for this one. So what it's saying that your organization FTP archive, this mirror is sponsored by your XYZ. We're not going to see this. Let's just go for more. Here you can see it's it's saying that anonymous users logged in, which means with this IP allow us to authenticate as an anonymous. This one, and many more. So let's just go with this one first of all. Okay, so I'll just simply click on this. Here you can see, if you just go over here, so it's showing that the operating system is Windows Server. It's using the IIS 6.0, and you will also see there are some more other critical vulnerabilities, like you can see the CV buffer overflow. Okay, and if you just scroll it down, you will see much more, right? And here you can see there are 80, 21, 443. So let's just try to access this IP if we can. And yes, here you can see we can access this IP. Welcome to parkerstrom.com. Your account has been created. You can access XYZ. Okay, it doesn't matter. As you know, you can use this like Webalizer also. But now what we'll try to do, we'll try to access as an anonymous. Okay, so first of all, let's just ping this IP to see if the response is coming. Yes, coming. Now we'll check that the port we can authenticate or not, right? Or simply we can just go for nmap -p 21. We'll wait. Okay, so the result is coming. Filter. We'll still try to authenticate. Let's see what will come. Anonymous access allowed, and boom, can you see we have successfully logged in. Anonymous user logged in, although the FTP services was filtered, which means the firewall rules were applied. So let's see what we can find out more. Okay, there is nothing, but the goal was that we can successfully authenticate or not, that yes, we are able to authenticate. So this is how you can use the Shodan search filters to find out only those results on which anonymous authentications are allowed, right? Same for other services. Now we'll go and look for the another, like the port for the SMB one. So here we go, and here you can see authentication disable. Now if you just simply click on this, anonymous read only share. So we have some, you can see here. Okay, no, there is nothing. We'll just simply click on any IP like this one, the Spain one. From here you can see all the operating systems, programming languages which has been used, and you can also find out the critical vulnerabilities, right? So let's just go back. Now we are going to see that how we can find out the results country wise, right? So for this I've selected India. So what it will do, it will filter out all the FTP anonymous services which are inside India only. You can see here the India, Mumbai, all this IP. Now if I'll just go with anyone like this one, which is saying that you can see here what the company organization name is, Cloud Rebel Solution. Is there any web server is there? Yes. So let's try to access. Okay, so it's just something like sent OS web panel, but our main goal is that we able to authenticate or not. So let's just come back again here. Here we go, anonymous, and that's it. We have successfully logged in. As usual, there is nothing. So I also got some one critical IP. Let me show you. Here we go. And here you can see this belongs to Tata Teleservices Maharashtra. Okay, now I'm gonna report them that I found some critical vulnerability inside your domain. Okay, here you can see, and now if I just try to access this IP, here you can see. So what it's saying, the directory listing denied. The virtual directory does not allow to be listed, but it doesn't matter. If I try to call more, I'll be able to get some more hidden directories. So let's come back again and see if we're able to authenticate or not, right? So here we go. And done. Now let's just listing out all the directory. So here you can see all the directories which are available, like the names of the particular places. Okay, I can access them one by one. Like if I want to just access this one, so here you can see there is nothing. I'll come out. Let's check the present working directory. It's still that one. And now if I just check, okay, there is nothing. Let's just go to the Nashik. Here you can see, and here we have some PDF files, and we have some, I don't know exactly what is this, but now you can see how you can use Shodan search filters to find out all these critical vulnerability, right? If I just go over here, more scroll down, so you can see we have a RCE also, remote code execution, which is a blue key vulnerability. You will get this vulnerability inside the Metasploit also. If I want to show you like how you can find search exploit, my bad. Okay, so basically there is no, but yeah, if you just go and find out, or if you try to look some vulnerability related to this one, so you will see here there is a exploit or model for blue keep is available, which means there is a payload or there is a attack payload is available inside the Metasploit, which you can use to exploit this vulnerability. Okay, so now you understand that how Shodan can be very useful if you know how to use them, use it properly, how to use it search filter very properly, and you can find out all this critical vulnerability. But make sure guys, as I told you earlier also, do not connect with these devices until unless you don't have authorization or you are not using any VM. Do not try to connect with these devices in your main system. So hope you enjoy this video, hope you learn something new. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment what you have learned. So we'll meet in the another video. That's it for today.